Hello. So today we're going to deal with order of operation. Okay. But before that, there is something I want us to do. I've actually taught that earlier, but I need to teach that again. Okay. So have something like this. Whenever you see plus times plus, plus times minus, minus, plus, sorry, minus times minus. Okay. Just know that plus times plus is what? Plus. Plus times minus is minus. Minus times minus is plus. Okay? So let's move to what we have today. Order of operation. Before I will solve this, let me explain what the order of operation means. So here we have board. So B is what? Stands for brackets. O is for off. D is division. M is multiplication. A is addition. S is subtraction. Right? So in any question where you have brackets, irrespective of where the bracket is, you treat it first. Whether it is at the end, middle, or beginning, or no matter how long it is, you treat bracket first. Okay? Just like in this expression here, we have brackets at the middle of these two numbers. So we are going to treat it first. Same thing with off. Had it been there is off here, after treating brackets, we treat what? Off. Then next is division. And then finally, the last one is subtraction. You treat subtraction lastly. Just like this question, if there is subtraction there, that's what we're going to treat last. Okay? So let's solve this. So let's solve this. We have 7 plus this divided by this. So what we do is we write 7. Remember, we treat the bracket first. So we have 7 plus 6 times 2 is 12. So I've removed the bracket divided by 3. So what do we do next? Is it to solve this, add this, or multiply or divide this? So if we follow our order of operation, we know that division comes before addition. So we do what? Division. So we have 7 plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. So our answer is equal to 7 plus 4, 11. So this is our final answer. I believe you understand what I did on the board. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Bye.